Let's just pop you over to the Roodepoort Magistrate Court now. That's where Tiffany Meek, the woman accused of murdering her own son, is continuing with her bail application. Proceedings have just about kicked off. Let's listen in.
Thank you. Full names for the record, please.
My name is Naba, protected in the
Any objection to take the police flag oath?
No objection, no objection.
You consider the police flag oath binding on your conscience?
I do.
Therefore, swear the evidence you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing else but what you say. So help me God.
Help me God.
Thank you, State.
As a cop, please. Say, is it correct then that you are a member of the South African Police Services?
That is correct.
Where are you stationed?
I am stationed at Florida District Branch.
And how long have you been a member of the South African Police Services?
It's 20 years.
What is your rank?
I am a sergeant.
And what are your duties?
My duties is to investigate criminal activities in all crime codes that are reported.
Is it correct then that you are the investigating officer in this matter?
That is correct.
Very well. Okay. Now, before we get into the merits of the matter, let's just get through what I call housekeeping issues. Firstly, the accused, does the accuser, what am I saying, the applicant, does she have previous convictions or any pending cases according to the investigation?
No previous convictions. The only case that we have is this case on her name.
Okay. Only this case as a pending matter. Okay. Yeah, now, when the applicant was arrested, her address was given as number 13 Swazi Place, complex in Fleurhof, in the Florida area. Am I correct? So,
That is true.
yeah. Now, okay. During her application, she mentioned another address as one that she will go and reside at during the subsistence of this matter, and should the court grant her bail. Recall that?
Yes, there was an alternative address given in KZN.
In KZN. And that is the only alternative address given.
Yes, that is the only address given.
Very well. Did you endeavor to confirm the address?
Yes, I did verify the address through a colleague of mine stationed in Lerolem Detective Component.
And what was the outcome there?
The address was verified to be positive. The father, the biological father to the applicant verified to be the person that can stay with her if she is released.
Okay. Magistrate, yeah. And at the time of her arrest, the applicant was employed, isn't it?
Yes, she's employed.
Yes. I was about to say she remains employed.
Yes,
Okay.
she's still employed.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And did you verify her employment?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Now, in her affidavit, at some point she stated that she can work remotely from, she can continue employment because she according to the arrangements at work, she can work remotely, meaning that she does not need to be at the office, physically at the office to execute her duties. You recall that?
Yes, I do recall that, even though they mentioned two things. At first they said she reports twice or thrice in a week to the office, but at the end they said she can perform her duties in any location as she can work remotely. Therefore, she can work from home. That is what was confirmed by her employer.
Okay. Okay. Any further information perhaps that I'm forgetting to ask you in relation to the applicant's personal circumstances? Okay, thank you. Now then, let's get into the merits of the matter. Okay, we will go in sequence. What I mean by that is so that at least the evidence makes sense. We will go through from the moment the report about the child being missing up to the point where the applicant was arrested. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Very well.
Very well.
Yes, sir. That's fine. Okay. Now, when was the report made to the South African Police Services about Jayden-Meek missing?
The report was made on Tuesday, 2025-05-13 at 2000 hours.
To the Florida branch of the South African Police Services.
Yes, at Florida Police Station.
Very well. Okay. And was the docket registered thereof?
Yes, it was registered.
Okay. What is the case number?
It's a missing file, inquiry number 2 of 5/2025.
Inquiry number 2.
Yes, Florida inquiry number 2
Yes, sir.
/5/2025.
All right. Now take us through then that inquiry file then.
After the inquiry file was opened, registered, that was after 2000 hours, Florida SABC members escorted the reporter together with her family to search for the child in fear of.
Hold on. Please guide your witness. He's running away with the proceedings.
I'm sorry, Osh.
Thank you.
When you say they took the reporter, who are you referring to?
I'm referring to the applicant before court.
Yes. Just take us through what she told the police, leading them to then take her with them to go and search.
Right. She told the SABC members that the child did not return back home from school.
Okay, just a moment. Yes.
At 17, she started communicating with her mother, being Deborah Dan,
Okay.
to ask her to communicate with transport driver to inquire as to where the child was, since the child was not home at that time. The reason why she couldn't do that herself, it's because she didn't have means of communication, meaning airtime or data, but she was able to communicate with her mother.
Okay. What time was the child due back home?
The child was due back home, say 3:30.
AM, PM, you know, it may sound stupid, but we need to know. Ah, don't worry. It's
In the
fine.
afternoon, PM.
3:30, no? Okay. Yes, sir. She then.
She further told police officers that her mother had communicated with the driver, and the driver told her mother that he dropped off the child at home earlier to the time of communication.
Yes, sir.
Then, after that explanation, as they were proceeding to flee off, the first stop was at Mr. Kumalo's place, who is the driver, who is the transport, the school transport driver. They stopped at his place of residence.
Who's this now?
Police officers, together with Jayden-Meek's family.
Yes.
Mr. Kumalo was questioned by police officers as to what happened to the child. Mr. Kumalo told the police officers together with the family that he had dropped off the child at home.
Just a moment. Yes.
The place of Mr. Kumar was searched by police officers with the suspicion that he could have maybe kept the child by his place.
Yes, sir.
The child was not found from Mr. Kumaro's place. Police officers, together with the deceased family, left Mr. Kumaro's place to Swazi's place.
What time was that?
It was around 9, after 9 in the evening.
Yes, sir.
They arrived at Swazi's place main entrance.
You know, ne, busy if we're speaking about Swazi, a person.
Swazi's
No, it's okay. Just want to explain. That's fine. Just a moment. I just want to just get what is Swazi Place when
Swazi's place is the place where the applicant and the deceased were staying. That is where this child was allegedly dropped off by the transport.
Yeah.
It's the place of residence to the child and the applicant.
no, right. Now, just so that at least we have a better picture as well, this, what kind of property is it? You know, is it a freestanding house, complex, you know, things like that?
It's a block of flats.
Block of flats. Okay. So when you speak of Swazi Place, it's Swazi Place complex.
It's a block of flats.
Okay, that's okay. So when you say they went there, okay, no. You say they went there and then what happened?
When they got there, they met with the security officer that was on duty for that evening.
Yes, sir.
Police officers then asked the security officer on duty whether did he see the child getting back home. The security said no, he was not the security at work on duty at the time the child returned back home, and he didn't have a report either of such.
Yes, sir.
So police officers further questioned him as to who was on duty. He said it's his colleague that knocked off at 1800 hours that evening. Since he did not have answers to SAPS members, to the questions of SAPS members, he escorted them to the security officer that was on duty, who doesn't stay far from where the incident happened.
And where was the applicant at that time? Remember when they went to Mr. Kumalo's place, she was there, isn't it? Now when they came back to Swazi Place, spoke to this security officer, and we're now departing to go to another officer's residence. Where was the applicant?
He was still with them.
Yeah, so they were going to the other officer's residence. You may continue.
They arrived at the security officer that was on duty during the day, and police officers questioned this.
They questioned this?
Security officer, the
Okay.
one that now was sleeping, who was off duty, the one that was on duty during the day.
Okay, just hold it. How far is that security officer's home, or where the police went to? How far is it from Swazi complex?
It could be a kilometer if it's not that distance, it's a short distance.
Yes, so now here the police with this officer, they are questioning him. What are they asking?
In the presence of the family members Did you see?
In the presence of the deceased family members. Yes, sir.
Did you see the child entering Swazi's place?
Yes.
When the security answered to say yes, I did so, he was interrupted by the applicant. When the security said, yes, I saw the child entering, I'm the one that opened for him using the remote control, as I am the only person that has a remote control for the main gate.
Just hold it there. You said while he was answering, what happened?
He was telling police officers that yes, he saw the child entering. He's the one that opened for the child after the child got off the transport.
Yes.
Then, as he was giving his answer to police officers, the applicant interjected him and said, no, you are not telling the truth.
Yes.
The security officer then insisted that he saw the child entering. Is the one opened for him. After the child entered, he closed the gate using the remote control, and the child proceeded to the building.
Did you specify the time?
Do you mind if I go through the statements?
Just tell him it's 819. The statement of the it doesn't say his name. Ask him. It's okay.
If it's the person I'm thinking of, try checking A18. 19 rather.
Alex. First page and the paragraph 3.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He said, on the day 2025-05-13 at around 1600 hours, I saw a white bus dropping off a young colored boy dressed in red jacket.
At what?
Colored boy.
No. You said on that date at what time?
Oh, at around 1600 hours.
Very well, thank you. Let's go back now. Okay. To the questions by the police to this particular witness. When he said, when he was, the security officer insisted that he opened for the child using his remote, isn't it? And then the child proceeded inside. You may proceed.
Okay, after the security has explained this to police officers together with the family, the security told them that there was no report made to him about the child's disappearance.
Okay, just a moment.
until he knocked off at 1800 hours.
Until knocked off at?
1800 hours.
Okay, just a moment, sir. Yes, sir, you may proceed.
Then they left this place to the child that gets dropped off after this one. The child that the transport driver dropped off as the last child, who was mentioned by Mr. Kumar, the transport driver.
Yes.
They got to the place where the child stays.
All right, you've been listening to the bail application brought forward by Tiffany Meek, the 31-year-old who's currently in the dock for allegedly murdering her son, Jayden-Meek. And we're listening now to the recollection of events in the lead up to the child's body being found on the staircase outside their home as this bail application continues. We'll keep one ear on that for you, but we just want to step out of court proceedings to